Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by naming top priorities: safety, respect, and learning. Once done, ask students to contribute. A quick brainstorm or vote gives ownership and prevents pushback. Make sure to translate priorities into 3-5 short, positive rule statements that describe observable actions rather than vague ideals. You should write them in plain language now, keeping each under one sentence, and post them where everyone can see. This first step builds clarity and shared responsibility immediately. You now connect rules to routines and consequences so behavior is predictable. Once rules exist, define 1 or 2 concrete procedures per rule, entry routines, signal responses, or materials protocols, and link them to proportional, consistent consequences like warnings, brief choices, or restorative conversations. Make sure to teach these routines through modeling, role play, and at least 3 practice cycles so students internalize them. You explain expectations clearly, check understanding, and adjust language to eliminate ambiguity. You implement and actively monitor for the first 2 weeks, using quick tools like tallies, notes, or a 1-minute exit poll to gather data. Once patterns appear, make small, fast tweaks to wording or procedures rather than overhauling the whole system. If problems persist, reset norms with a focused mini-lesson and targeted reteach. Make sure to acknowledge improvement publicly to reinforce gains. If resistance continues, troubleshoot by soliciting specific student input and adjusting consequences to
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.